Hey y'all, welcome back to my kitchen here in Houston. My name is Jamie and I'm the chef behind Cure Vegan. Today I have a delicious recipe planned for you. It's my first time working with this ingredient and probably your first time hearing about it. What we're going to be making is a vegan bulgogi with a vegan pad thai, a no noodle pad thai at that. The ingredient that we're going to use to make our bulgogi is something that's known as konjac cake. I went ahead and sliced the konjac cake into about 1/2 inch thick slices. Then I boiled the slices of konjac cake to reduce the seaweed smell and flavor. After that, I went ahead and drained the konjac cake and laid it out on a towel. To make our vegan bulgogi, we first need to start by making a marinade to marinate our konjac. We're going to use a traditional Korean barbecue marinade, starting with pears that we're going to go ahead and pass through the food processor. Some brown sugar, I'm opting in for coconut sugar today. A little bit of minced ginger and minced garlic. Some soy sauce, I'm going to use coconut aminos because it's much less sodium. A little bit of molasses and miso paste. Some gochujang sauce. A little bit of sesame seed oil, and 1 no beef bouillon cube. To make the rest of our marinade, let's go ahead and combine all of our liquid ingredients. Coconut aminos, sesame oil, gochujang, molasses and miso paste, no beef bouillon, and brown sugar. Give this all a really good whisk together. Before placing the konjac cake in the marinade, it's important to score the skin. Not too deep, but just deep enough so that the marinade can really penetrate. Now that all of our konjac cake has been scored, we can go ahead and begin to marinate it. It's gochujang, coconut aminos, brown sugar, ginger, garlic marinade on top of the konjac and the pear. Now we have to let this marinate for at least 4 hours. Overnight would be really awesome. Put a lid on it and give it a nice shake. And just do that every 20 minutes or so. For our Veggie Noodle Pad Thai, we're gonna have an assortment of colors and vegetables to use in place of traditional noodles. I'm using this spiralizer here that I bought off of Amazon to make zucchini noodles. Our Veggie Pad Thai noodle sauce consists of peanut butter, coconut aminos, lime juice, maple syrup, and red pepper flakes. With the Pad Thai, you're going to use a non-stick skillet and a little bit of oil, cooking the carrots first, then the jalapenos, then adding in your squash and your more high water content vegetables after. Once all your vegetables are nice and fried, go ahead and add in your peanut butter sauce and cook for just another minute or so. I just added a few tablespoons of oil to a hot non-stick pan. We're going to fry them on each side for just a few minutes. Just remembering here that your marinade had quite a bit of sugar in it, so that can burn easily. We may need to flip them a few times because of that. Make sure to dry your fried konjac cakes of any excess oil on a paper towel lined plate. Now that our Veggie Noodle Pad Thai is ready, and so is our vegan bulgogi, it's time to plate and then dig in. So I went ahead and put my vegan pad thai on the inside of the plate and then laid my bulgogi around the outer edge. A little bit of fresh cilantro, because there can never be too much cilantro. Some green onions for that nice pop of color, and it's time to dig in. I want to thank you guys so much for joining me for another vegan cooking video this week. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channels for future vegan cooking videos every Monday. To learn more about how to prepare konjac cake, visit my blog at www.curevegan.com.